In a dream I was there when they crucified Jesus, and in my dream I saw his great agony. I ran to the man who was piercing his body. When I pulled him away, that soldier was me. Though only a dream, I crucified Jesus. 'Twas my sins he bore,
'twas my sins he bore
on Calvary's tree.
On Calvary's tree.
When he prayed in Gethsemane's garden,
In the garden he prayed.
I believe he prayed that night for me. Now play it pretty, Mark. Simon Peter was there. His heart was so troubled, and many that Jesus had helped on the way, they beheld their Lord, their bleeding and dying, and in the dream I could see only a dream, I crucified Jesus. 'Twas my sins he bore,
'Twas my sins he bore